This is the garage door opener pocket, and the car comes in. Then the door will close. The car wants to get out again. The car gets out of the garage.